Uh, Good morning, everyone. Today we are going to deal about something called as inheritance. So we have learned some of the inheritance types in your C. In Java also we have inheritance types, but there plays a very important role. What is the important role is we can access only three types of inheritance. That is single, hierarchical, that is hierarchical, that is you have a base class and you have many subclasses, and we also have multi-level also, so that and all is possible, but multiple inheritance is not possible. So as we call it, this is a very special property of the object-oriented languages. So we have one base class that is a parent class. We also call it as a superclass. And another class which is going to inherit this base class, we call it a subclass or derived class or a child class. What is the main motive of this inheritance is we are going to use the code again. And reliability is also placed, it will be increased. So this is a very classic form of an inheritance. You have a base class and a subclass. And we can have this methods also. We can also have variables also. But how you're going to inherit with a specific keyword, we call it as extends. So that is what it's been mentioned here. And as I have said, we have single inheritance, multi-level inheritance, hierarchical inheritance. So single inheritance, we have one base class and one derived class. Multi-level, you have one base class. From that, you will derive first subclass. From the subclass one, you will derive a subclass two. Hierarchical inheritance, we have one base class and many subclasses. So here we have a class called as bank account. In the bank account, I am having two constructors. As you know, the balance should be kept as a private. So here I'm initializing with an empty constructor, and with one parameter constructor, I'm initializing the balance. I have two another methods like deposit and withdraw. In deposit, as you know, you'll add the value, add the amount, and withdraw, you will just take the value. That is, you'll deduct the value, and you want to print the value, you can use get balance. So now I'm extending this one. We have a single inheritance. So I'm just extending this. As you see, the savings account has been extended from the base account, base bank account class. And I'm just calculating an interest. So that interest value, I'm just initializing in the constructor, and I'm having a method called as add interest. So with that, I'm calculating the interest. I'm calling the deposit function of the base class. So why I'm calling it, that is being defined. So for all the customers in the bank, the base class remains the same. This subclass also remains the same, but the values will be used from the base class. And this is the single inheritance. Another one, you have a room and a hall room. We have a width and a length and a breadth. So, and we are finding out the volume in the hall room. So this is extending the base room. And multi-level inheritance, you can see room, and it is inheriting, this hall room is inheriting the base class. You can see. So multi-level inheritance, from the subclass 1, we have to inherit subclass 2. So that is why bedroom has been inheriting where? The hall room. Hierarchical inheritance, only one base class will be there, and you will have many subclasses. So hall room is extending this room and the bedroom. So these are two subclasses that is inheriting.